plastic. The three ways we can find original, pelleted, and reground. Materials come from recycling reclaimed plastic. The process right is to be transformed into pellet, and the original directly from the oil. The company is responsible for recycling the plastic made in the Kita 3 process. 3D, I wash,
grinding.
I do it. When really this is called regret with its own name depending on its characteristics. In this way I help the planet.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Awesome. Very good. He was speaking about the process of plastic, in which way if you can recycle plastic, you can protect the environment. That was David. Good job. Continue like that. If you continue everywhere. One puzzle. Rafael, one puzzle. Who else prepare topic? Nobody else for next week? Jose? Danny, for next week? Or for today?
No.
Next week, okay. So we're gonna finish with the puzzle with Rafael, and after we sing the song and we finish for today.
Alright.